welcome back to Hood News at 6. I'm Jerry.
I'm Tom.
And we have Carl down in the hood giving us some stuff on the blizzard that's coming to the hood.
You can tell it's a little cold, a little windy, not a lot of snow though. Local residents are out here having a good time. Snow is about up to my ankles, but because why not? It's summer. Hello guys, we're back at it again for the 30-minute update. So I was out here doing my job and I saw a golfer.
Hello.
So how'd you do today, sir?
I did excellent. Actually, I actually won. There was zero wind, zero snow, nothing to affect my game. It was perfect weather, as you can see. Like, look at this. Just what I needed to win.
Oh, did you get a hole in 7?
I got a hole in 8, actually.
Even better. All right. Let's tune back in 30 minutes later.
Wow, sounds like today's a real hole-in-one.
30-minute update again. Today I was just out here sitting in my car because it's very nice outside, so I need the air conditioning. And I see a dude from the beach. How's the beach?
It's pretty good, you know, just a little bit of wind. I mean, the waters are pretty nice. That's about it.
Excellent.
Thanks, Carl. That guy must be one beach to be out there.
Whoa, turns out it was actually a blizzard. Head to shelter.
Carl? Carl, you there?
We need to go. Thank you for watching Hood News at 6. Let's go.